I think everybody gets nervous when they're going to cross the border.
And now that we're traveling as a family of 3, it feels more stressful than ever.
To Canada we go.
This is a border crossing we've never done before, and depending on how today goes, we might never do it again.
15 minutes to the border. Here we go. This is gonna be our first time crossing the United States border into British Columbia because we've never actually really explored BC before. We did a small little drive through it back when we visited Ski Big 3 in Alberta, but since 2019, full-time travel on the road has just evaded us. So this year, we are gonna be exploring British Columbia, if they'll let us in. We woke up today at a harvest house just outside of Burlington, which is not where the coat factory is located, apparently. What?
There's probably a lot of Burlingtons in the United States.
Probably a lot. We stayed at a harvest house last night, which was a Irish restaurant. We had some yummy food last night because that's part of the deal with harvest host. You're supposed to kind of like get something from the restaurant. And honestly, I didn't really feel like doing dishes. It was cold and gloomy and so windy last night. Literally, the van was shaking. And we even have stabilizers. Everly's cleaning the windows. So helpful. Frank's doing the dishes. So helpful.
The manly man doing the dishes.
What's not manly about doing dishes?
Everything's manly about doing dishes. That's what I'm saying. I'm a manly man doing the dishes.
Okay, just double checking. We spent the morning searching for our passports because obviously we needed them to get from Ontario to Washington. But then we lost them. I put them somewhere safe and it was so safe. We couldn't find it. We've actually kind of been looking for them for days. Oops. But as it turned out, they were just underneath something in a bag where we thought that they were, but the bag was, you know, it was like crunched.
Pretty packed full.
Packed. So we found them this morning, thankfully, because we're going to need those bad boys. So yeah, just some cleanup, get ready, and then we're going to start our hour-long trek to the border. To Canada we go.
To Canada. The land of the maple syrup.
I don't know if BC is known for their maple syrup.
They're not. I think Quebec is.
That's more of like a East Coast thing. What's British Columbia known for? Nanaimo bars?
The Rockies.
Yeah, mountains. That's a good one.
Come on, let's go. You have to go outside. I know you don't want to yet. Yo, you got to see this girl. She has a poo-poo bag on her hand, and she's holding his leash. She is ready. It's not that cold, but Daddy wants the hat on his head because he doesn't want the wind on his head. You want a hat too?
Two.
Yeah? Hold on. Here you go. You can wear my yellow one. How about that? Does that sound good? Yellow. You like yellow?
Boo.
Yeah, we'll go like this. We'll make it really big like this. Ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, you look so cute.
Boo.
That's for poo-poo, yeah.
Daddy.
Yeah. You look at mommy.
Hi.
Boo.
Let's go let Paco poo. You're right.
Boo.
Oh my gosh, here we go. Ah! Ah! This door. Alright. The wind is so strong. Ah. Look at the curtain.
Every other time I opened the door, it just went whoop, right out of my hands. But Frank said, not when I'm doing
pee-pee.
it. I spent too much time on that awning.
Thanks, honey.
Oof. It's so crazy out here right now. According to the weather maps, the next 3 days is supposed to be trash. And then it's going to be glorious the entire month of October. So, fingers crossed. No way.
Look at it.
Would you look at it?
Good, go take Paco, go. Mommy brings you to dog park.
What is this outfit she's wearing?
She's so good at picking up poo-poo, honestly. Like, she uses the bag, everything. She grabs the whole thing. She knows that if it falls,
She fell.
you, like, re-grab. She's doing great.
All right, Everly, show us how you do the agility course. Frank, you up. Up, 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 up. He's just like, get me off, get me off.
Keep going, you got it, bub. You got it. Yeah. Okay, here she goes. Oh, you gotta get 2 feet on. Keep going, Paco, watch out.
Go, 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 seesaw. Woo!
Fearless.
Okay, officially ready to hit the road. I think we're gonna make one pit stop. Everly, do you want your lunch? Okay, I've got Everly's lunch already. We're trying to time drives for eating because that seems to keep her happy in her car seat. Real food is getting real scarce around here. Another reason it was great to stay at the Harvest House last night and have them cook us dinner. Frank's just buttoning everything up over there, and I'm gonna pull up. I have another Harvest House / Boondockers welcome for tonight. I figured with the border crossing, we never know how it's gonna go. So it would just be better, safer to have a for sure spot. I actually requested this one for 2 nights. So that's gonna be really good. It's only an hour and 14 minutes away. So we just gotta get to the border, and then we're probably like another 20 minutes from our spot.
I checked the diesel. It's like a little less than halfway right now.
Still?
Yeah. So I don't even know if it costs us an extra $1 to fill it up there.
It is what it is.
Yeah.
What's the diesel for?
The diesel for the heater. That thing we've been using like on and off, not full days, but quite literally it's taken forever to go through it.
And we still have a half a tank.
Still have basically half a tank.
That's great.
It's only 5 liters. The whole thing. Show on the road? Road on the show? Time to go to Canada.
So we're debating about if we should get gas in America or in Canada.
Definitely get it in America because at $1.70 for a 100-liter tank is $170 Canadian.
Yeah, I think it's gonna be pretty
It's about $80 for us to fill it down here.
It's gonna be like $200 to fill it in Canada.
Yeah.
Yeah, the prices in Canada for fuel are definitely a lot higher. Which is super fun for a month-long road trip. Woo woo. Canadian dollar is kind of weak right now. I don't know for sure. I haven't looked in a while.
If you're using US dollars, you get like a 30% discount, but it's still not worth it in the sense of fuel.
72 cents to the dollar.
Yeah, it's basically a 30% discount, 28.
Sounds like Everly's enjoying her lunch. Perfect. This pilot looks pretty, oh, there's the trucks over there.
Yeah, it's pretty big.
Okay.
It was deceiving.
With the truck and trailer combo, now we're kind of looking for big gas stations. That's a quality we enjoy.
I could gas up and get diesel in the other tank at the same time.
Cool. Oh, from each pump?
Yeah. Pretty funny, right?
You want to go for a walk in the store? Yeah, you want to go for a walk? Yeah? Okay, let's go. Yeah, they're pretty cool, right? We're playing with the light-up trucks. Although mine won't light up. First lights up. I don't understand.
Well, just pick a different one.
Hers also has a cool dinosaur on it.
I really likes big trucks.
She's pretty good at like leaving toys behind though. Like we could usually get her like to like go be interested in something else. Like put that back, we'll go check something else. We haven't had to spend $1 million at the gas station on toys yet, so.
Yet is the key word.
No.
Oh, Mommy, that's glass. That's glass.
These are all breaking.
That's all breakable. Those are glass. Gonna box you out. Mama's gonna box you out.
Can our trailer do 9 feet?
What's that? No, we're 9'3".
Only Frank and I are both kind of hungry now. I don't really want the Donald's.
Boy.
But we really don't have a lot of food. I forgot about these guys. Frank?
Yes, babe?
Sweet kale or Mexican street corn?
Mexican street corn. Just watch out for your mouth.
What do you mean?
Last time you had Mexican street corn when you stabbed yourself in the mouth with the tortilla.
No joke. All right, I'll make this quick in a bowl that I can seal up, and then we'll take it for the drive. How about that?
Kind of want a terrible burger, too.
I have a terrible burger in the fridge.
Oh, I'll eat that. Okay.
It's a nice cold,
I'll eat it
last
cold.
night leftover burger.
Everly, you want to finish the fries? You want to eat the fries?
We ordered Everly a kids meal burger, and it came and it was massive. And I was like, holy, like that's the kids burger? And he was like, no, actually, I gave you the pub burger because it's happy hour, and the pub burger is actually cheaper than the kids meal.
By $1.
So we got more burger for less dollars, which was pretty nice of him to think of us like that. Okay, you want to do pouring?
Yeah.
Wait, you girls match.
Yeah, we're matching pink sweaters. Good job. That one's got to stay over the bowl. Good job. Get to this. You want to try dipping into this with one of your fries? Dip fry. Salad dressing.
Did you like it?
Yummy or yucky?
Oh, I think you gotta mix it up more.
You don't like it?
Yeah.
You do like it.
Take another bite.
Definitely better than fast food. Fast food is better than fast food. 15 minutes to the border. Here we go. You getting those nervous border feelings?
Always. Whenever I cross the border, I feel that way. I get quiet.
Your tummy
Alex
just
goes,
is kind of like...
Alex goes, what's wrong? And I'm like, nothing, just normal border feelings.
It's always a little bit anxious.
I think if you're not anxious crossing the border, you've done it like a lot, or like you just don't have the mental concept of it being dangerous sometimes. You know what I mean? I don't know. I think everybody gets nervous when they're gonna cross the border.
Putting all your life's power into someone else's hands for a couple minutes. Hopefully that's all that it is. Whew! I think I had too many caffeines today.
I always get stopped too, so like I know I'm gonna get stopped and have to go inside and
Wow, wow.
yeah.
All right, let's see if you're right this time.
Hello, how are you? Good, thank you. It's all three of us. Yeah.
Oh, sure, no problem. Yeah. Okay, baby, you gotta go with Daddy, okay? We're gonna go out. We're going out. Can we leave the TT
You
here?
have the TT when you come back in.
Nice.
Nay, it's a horse.
Wow.
Nay.
Okay, we are being
selected for additional screening.
Always.
So all of the humans have to exit the car. And then we're gonna go hopefully be back soon.
Aka's enjoying this.
Welcome to Canada, friends.
We made it. I get stopped every time like I always knew I would. And I said to them, you know, I'm happy to come in and do all the stuff and that way you guys know I'm good. And they said, you're literally the only person who's ever said that.
That was like, yeah, whatever, check me out.
It's all good. I'm happy to come in.
Yeah. They never we've never been denied entry except for that one time that we were denied entry, which is why
I get
they
fired.
get pulled over every time.
Yeah.
But
it wasn't a we, it was a me.
yeah, they were like, you can go by yourself, Alex. But Frank, not invited.
We were together on that stop.
Oh my gosh, what a rigmarole.
Oh, guys, we didn't make it.
We didn't make it. They didn't like our letter that was work authorization. We gotta get out of this place. We gotta get our passports back and we gotta get the F out of here. Was that not the longest day ever?
Oh my god. It was ridiculous.
Oh my
Absolutely ridiculous. Paco, where are you going?
Womp womp.
So anyways, we're here. We're in British Columbia. It definitely feels cool to come through a new border that we've never tried before.
Yeah.
Going to a new province that we've
It's
never
true.
seen before. And we've got our Boondockers Welcome all linked up. It's only 15 minutes from here, so it should be easy breezy to get over there. And yeah, come along. We're going to go adventure in Canada.
Beautiful BC, here we come.
That's their tagline, in case you didn't know. Beautiful British Columbia. I think it says it on their license plate.
I had no idea.
Learning facts already.